What's up, guys? This is Ray J back with another video, and in this one I want to give you guys a very quick update about the markets. Just know that I am not a financial planner. So I was eyeing this potential wedge forming on Tesla. I mentioned that Tesla would likely get a rejection near 430, but then I said to watch and see if Tesla could bounce near 410 as the market tries to hold support. Instead of holding support, SPY and the QQQ are losing it, and we were supposed to hold around at the lowest like 660 for the inverse head and shoulders to be valid. Instead, we lost that support, and SPY is retesting 655. So SPY, if we don't hold 655, we're looking for 653, then 650 is our targets or below. And as of right now, we're barely holding 655. So be careful and see if we either bounce or reject here. On the QQQ, we're barely holding near 590 or close to that range. If that fails us, we're looking for 588, 585 or below as well. And then 585 in particular could be a very important level for the QQQ. And with the market selling off like that and losing support, Tesla's getting dragged down. We went from being quite green only to reject, and we're watching to see if 400 holds. If it doesn't, I would not rule out 390 on Tesla. So I just want to say that as far as the market's going, the market is now pricing in that we're not going to likely get a cut in December, which is not the best of news for the equities markets. This means the Fed may basically keep rates higher for longer due to the lack of data and uncertainty, and the market is looking weak as a result. For other tickers, we have the IWM. We need to see if we could hold around 230. If we don't, we could be looking for a move down to 226. ES is dipping. We're going to see if we hold 50 or 65.80. If we don't, we could be looking for like 65.50 or below, and we could be making new lows on ES. Retesting these October levels. So like down here, also around 65.50 could be coming. On NQ, we're showing some weakness. We could be dipping to the lower 24,250 area or below. So there is downside risk. A Bitcoin could be dipping towards not only 86,000 but 85,000 flat. Tesla, we're going to see if 400 holds. If not, we're looking for 390. Nvda got a big rejection. This is also dragging Tesla in the market down. We start off with a nice pump on Nvda, and then after earnings, we just dumped right back down. So we're looking to see if 180 holds on Nvda. This is showing some weakness. On top of this, we also have Aapl, which is dipping towards 265. We have Palantir, which is going to be dipping towards 155 for more downside. On AMD, we got a big rejection. We're going to likely be dipping back down towards 205 and then the low 200s. Coinbase got a rejection. We're going to see if 235 holds. If not, it could be dipping more. Amazon got a huge rejection. We were supposed to hold 222, and because we're not, there's a risk of 215. Meta could be dipping back down towards these lows around 580 flat. Google pumped and dumped. We're looking for a test of 290 and 285. Then Microsoft could be dipping back down towards 475. The whole market is rejecting as the VIX is bouncing. So unfortunately, it was like a pump and dump move, and there is weakness. The question is, can SPY hold 655 or do we lose this? We're barely holding support now. Can the QQQ hold 590 or do we reject? And then can Tesla hold 400? As of right now, it's trying to hold up, but I do want to warn you to be very careful because of some weakness in the markets. So be patient and see if these levels hold by the end of the day. Thank you for listening. This is a quick update, and peace out.